Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Princess Daisy. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the eyes with two large curves up and back down. Now inside, let's add another curve to thicken it up slightly like this. Now underneath at the bottom, let's draw a curve across. And then an oval inside each eye. Now inside each oval, let's add a circle on the top left. Now underneath for the pupil, let's draw another oval down and back up. And color these both in black. Now top out and let's draw 3 eyelashes out on each eye. Now on top of each eye, let's draw a curve for the eyebrows. Now let's hop back down next to each eye and let's draw a curve down and back up for the sideburns. Then underneath, let's curve it out for the cheeks and bring it down to the center for the chin. Now that we have the shape of the face, let's hop in and let's draw a bump up in the center for the nose. And then for the mouth, let's draw a curve across. Two small curves on the ends. And then a curve down underneath. Now on top, let's add a bump for the upper lip and the lower lip with a curve underneath. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop out and draw the earrings. On each side, next to the cheeks, let's draw a curve up. Then let's add 2 bumps down on each side. And then 1 more at the bottom to form a flower shape. And then an oval in the center. Now on top of the earrings, let's add a curve down for the ears. Now that we're done the ears, we can hop up and draw the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw 2 curves out. And then curve it back up on each side. Now from the ends, let's draw a large curve out and bring it up like this. And then let's curve it in. Then we're going to add a piece of hair going up with a curve up and back in. Now to close off the top of the head, let's start in the center and let's draw a large curve up and bring it down on the sides. And that's it for the top part of the hair. Now for the bottom, let's hop down next to the ears and let's draw a curve down and curve it up. Now let's curve it back in underneath. Now at the bottom, let's draw a small curve back out. And then let's curve it in from each side, meeting in the center. And that's it for the hair. Lastly, on top, let's draw the crown. On the top left, let's draw a small curve up and down. And the same on the right side. Now from the top, let's curve it back down on the inside. Now on top, let's draw 2 lines up. And angle it back in. And close off the top of the crown with a point up in the center. Now let's hop inside the crown and let's draw an oval. And then let's add the flower with a curve on top. 2 on the sides. And 1 underneath. And then lastly, let's draw a line out on each side. And that's it for Princess Daisy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!